Hello, just want to show you another quick way to relax, and that is to bring up that sense of inner peace, which I said in an earlier relaxation video, that the inner peace is really just the presence of the energy of the universe, the scientific, reality-based energy of the universe that makes up all molecules and atoms, which make up all solids, liquids, and gases. It is not just in all things, especially living things. It is those things. And so a quick way to relax is just to sense that. So let's try that right now. Just find some nature. Focus your eyes on one spot. And bring up this inner peace, which I said is just the presence of the energy of the universe. So it's the energy of existence. It's the energy that makes you exist. So a quick way to access this and feel this is to mentally make an effort, to really make an effort to try not existing. Try to not exist right now. And as soon as you do, you come face to face with the presence of your own existence, the energy of your own existence. If you didn't feel it, you wouldn't be existing. Get a sense of it. It is this still, silent, peaceful presence. And so when you look at something alive like this, sensing this peaceful presence inside you, which is the universal energy, ask yourself, what does this universal energy intuitively know about itself? As it looks through your eyes, because universal energy is in everything and is everyone, it is looking through your eyes. So when it looks through your eyes at this object in nature, what does it intuitively know about itself? Does it say to itself, this object is separate than me? It blocks me, I must go around it? Or does it intuitively know, my presence is in this as well. I am in you, and I am in this. And even to say, I am in this tree, is a duality, isn't it? Is it in the tree, or it is the tree? And so if you need a quick relaxation, put your energy, your focus on the energy of the moment, on the energy of your own existence, and look at something in nature. And you will realize this peaceful presence is all around you, not just inside of you. So inside and outside does not apply to this.